In this video, we're going to create a workflow from scratch and assign it to a particular issue type. So first things first, go to Project Settings, click on Workflows, and this is what we're going to do. As of right now, the bug issue type has this workflow: in backlog, done, and in progress. We're going to create a new one and we're going to assign it to this one. To do that, we're going to click on the gear icon up at the top right, click on Issues, and then click on Workflows. And we're going to click on Add Workflow, Create New, and we're going to give this a name. Web Development Workflow Bugs. We're going to click Create. And now we're going to create a very simple workflow. Let's add, let's see, we can add the to-do status. That's one. And then let's add a in progress. Testing, or ready for testing. And a done status. And we're going to connect these statuses. All right, so we have our workflow, and now we're going to assign it to the bugs issue type, okay? And to do that, we're going to click on Workflow Schemes. And basically, a scheme is a container. So within this container, you're going to have different workflows assigned to a particular project, okay? So notice how we have our software simplified workflow scheme assigned to our web development project, and we're going to edit that scheme. Now previously, as I mentioned before, the bug issue type is assigned to this old workflow. So we're going to assign our new workflow by clicking on Add Workflow, then Add Existing, and we're going to search for our new workflow, which is this one, Web Development Workflow for Bugs. Click on Next, and we're going to assign the bug issue type. Click on Finish, and now the bug issue type is assigned to the workflow that we just created. Make sure you publish this. Click Associate. And this is going to take a couple of seconds. And let's test this. If I go to Project, Web Development, and I click on any issue of the bug issue type, it should reflect that new change of workflow. There we go. Now our bug issue type is assigned to our new web development workflow bugs.